Hello, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. And I know that probably is a little bit late for some people. Already Mother's Day is in one day, but I want to bring you some 3D prints that you can give for this Mother's Day. It's gonna be quick. I didn't have a lot of time because I wanted to try to do this video before Mother's Day, and I didn't paint anything, but I just want to show you what maybe could be something to give to your mom. So, and remember, if you don't have time to print, the best gift probably is your time, and just be with your mom that day and just enjoy it. And let's start. And the first thing will be this flower. I really like it. It's simple. It's a rose. It comes in 2 pieces. If you print this one, you'll have to glue it together, but it's really neat. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description of everything that you're gonna see today. One of the things is that I didn't have time to print everything on the file, but for this one, it comes with a base that you can print 3 roses, and I think it looks really, really good. One thing that I have to say is that because it's still new at 3D printing, I use the auto support, and it creates so many supports inside the petals that just on my tiny experience, I knew it was gonna be a nightmare to take and clean up. So what I did is just I printed without any supports, and it looks really good. So just wanted to say that. Another idea is just to print the petals. One of the things that I have to say is that I didn't have time, like I was mentioning, and everything I had to shrink it to be able to print it. So this is supposed to be bigger, and I think it could be a really nice just paperweight for a desk or something like that. Talking about decorations, I know it's not Easter, but I've seen people having in their houses Easter eggs. These are really neat. I really love the designs, and the file come with like 10 eggs, and they just look really good. Like I said, I had to print these tiny ones, but if you print one by one on a bigger size, they will look amazing. Just in case your mom is fan of Game of Thrones, or you just want to have them, I'm gonna link also some dragon eggs. This has another option. Another decor, and I have these, we can say lamps, or of course you have to have your own bulb and just put it on top, but they create really nice lights and shadows. Like I said, I have to do this tiny one. I'm gonna put some examples, but remember that that is more useful if you can print it bigger. Another decor that I fall in love, and I wasn't even thinking that that will happen, is this elephant. It's just, I love how I printed. It looks amazing, and I'm even gonna print a bigger one to go with it, and probably another copy for myself. I know my mom loves elephants, so I'm gonna give like probably will print different sizes just as a decor. I'm gonna leave, like I mentioned before, the link for this print, but I'm also gonna leave another link with an artist that has similar sculptures, but they are completely different animals, like a fox, a cat, even if there is a heart. So, and these just look amazing. Another thing that I have is this box. It's really easy. It's a heart-shaped box that you print the lid, you print the bottom, you put it together, and I think it's really great, and your mom can put jewelry or things in here. And another thing that probably doesn't seem like a gift for Mother's Day is this one. I just printed out because I have someone that wanted. They have everywhere in their house dolphin, orcas, whales, and it just go with the house. So it's something that they really like, and that's really important when I tell people, or they ask me about gifts, is take the time to know and think what that person could like. And for this person that loved dolphins, and like I said, they have everything in their house, orcas. It was really useful is for if you have a bag of chips open to close it, and they really like it. So this one is mine, but they can be useful. And talking about how many people are different, maybe there's mom out there that they're fan of certain TV shows, certain movies. So it's really nice to think and really look for something that they like. And like I said, there's so many printing now that you can print everything. It will take years to really go through everything that I think could be a good gift. But I found this one is just like a key holder, and it says Aloha Mora, which is the spell on the Harry Potter world, and to unlock things. So it's kind of cool. I actually gonna maybe print something bigger for me, but yeah, I think it's something really cool. Now I have a few ones that that I'm gonna mention that I didn't print. Another one that I think I haven't said is this one. This is the only one that I didn't resize. This is the original one. It's a little bit small, but I like the design and just a candle holder. So could be a really neat gift. And I found also another candle holder that I'm gonna show you the picture. I'm gonna leave, like I said, the links, but I didn't have time to print this one, and I think it looks really nice. I also found this butterfly. It's a wall decor. I don't know, maybe someone likes butterfly, but I just really like it. It has multiple pieces, and I also think it looks nice. I wanted also to show some earrings. Of course, this one you have to go to a craft store and buy the metal thing so they can use it in their ears, but they're really easy to print really fast, so that's why I think earrings could be a really good idea. I know they're plastic, but we're talking about 3D print here. Another one that could be really useful and they can like it is art decor coaster set that I think they're really useful, that you can print more than just 4 or 6 depending on how big is your family. If they invite a lot of people, at least they can have enough. The last one I will say that is kind of cool is a frame, picture frame. They have really interesting frames that you can print and just print your photo, and you can, I mean, it's a cliche, but I think it will be really nice. As a photographer, I love just taking pictures, and I think that memories, knowing more if you print old pictures, they're great gifts. And pretty much that's it. I know it was kind of simple and fast, but I hope that you can print your gift, enjoy your day with your mom, and for all the mothers out there from the whole world, I wish you the best day. I know it should be every day because you deserve it, and just have a happy Mother's Day. See you next time.